If you've been looking for compression socks, you may have come across Made by Olo. But are these socks actually worth buying? Or are they just another product making big promises? Let's take a quick look. Made by Olo Compression. Socks are designed to provide compression and support for your legs and feet. They're aimed at people who spend a lot of time standing, walking, traveling, or sitting during the day. The first thing I noticed is the overall design. They look more like normal socks than some medical-style compression socks. That's a plus if you want something you can wear without feeling like you're wearing hospital gear. The compression is also something to consider. A good pair should feel snug, but it shouldn't feel painfully tight. Made by Olo claims to provide supportive compression while still being comfortable enough for everyday use. Another thing I like is the focus on everyday wear. You could potentially use them while working, traveling, exercising, or simply when your legs feel tired. But here's the important part. Are they actually legit? From what I can see, Made by Olo compression socks appear to be a real product. They aren't automatically a scam just because they make health-related claims. However, you should still be careful with any product that promises dramatic results. Compression socks can provide support, but they're not a miracle solution. You should also check the sizing carefully before ordering. If the fit is wrong, the socks may feel uncomfortable and you won't get the experience you're looking for. So, my quick verdict: Made by Olo Compression. Socks look legitimate. They could be worth considering if you want everyday compression and support, but don't expect them to solve every leg or circulation problem.